What a beautiful day for some windshield tint. I'm out here working on my driver's side tan. We are here at Chevrolet DeLillo of Huntington Beach. Oh, and we have our co-captain, Kara.
Hello.
Hello. I see a beautiful lineup of lifted Silverados front and center. Now, the goal here is to park somewhere on the street because we don't want to be seen coming into the dealership and then get swarmed by salesmen. So, all right, perfect. We have a spot right here on the street, right behind this Toyota Camry TRD. What?
Thinking that's the Pep Boys special.
Here's the deal. We need to sneak into this dealership. We need to be as under the radar as possible. So what do you say we just hop that barbed wire fence right there? Wow, we have quite the standoff here. We have Ford directly across from the Chevy dealership. Uh-oh, what'd Kara find?
Z71 Tahoe. This is going to be my graduation present from you to me.
$62,000, so you might want to go find something else.
Real reason why we're here. Checking out a ZR2. I would prefer diesel. It's exactly like the Canyon, but it'd be perfect to have.
It's identical in the interior. The only photos I've seen of the ZR2 are literally in the air. So we have a pretty decent lineup here of 2019 Silverado. Like we have an LT, a Z71, another LT, and another Z71 right here. So let's start with this red one. So looking at this one, it looks like we have a total vehicle price of $51,400, which does seem a little higher than it should be. Because we have a max trailering package. $51,400 before the lift kit option on this truck. This truck comes with the 6-inch lift on the 20-inch black alloy wheels, 35-inch mud terrain tires, the AccuPro odometer, the Nerf bar side steps, and of course the clear shield package, which is another $395 for a little bit of clear bra right here on the edge of the doors, as well as the cups of the door handles. So another $395 for that, bringing it to a grand total of $10,394 in the package they have on the suspension and the clear bra on the doors. Black Z71 here is going for a total vehicle price of $49,190. This one does not have the max trailering package, but you do get the 2-speed transfer case. We have the 4 high and 4 low with the Z71, which in my opinion, if you're looking for off-road capabilities, that means a lot more than having a beefed up rear axle. But then again, if you're looking to tow, then you want to get a max trailering package. But for the sake of what we're talking about today, this one is also offering the exact same accessory package minus the clear bra on the cups of the door handles here and the edge of the doors. So this one is $9,999.99 for what you're seeing on the suspension and the Nerf bars right here. All right, so crawling underneath the Silverado here, we have the cross member here, we have a skid plate, and for the most part, everything here looks pretty factory. So this is your factory lower control arm, your factory shock, and there is a strut spacer way up top right there with a factory upper control arm, but they do give you an extended steering knuckle right there. So for the most part, everything is looking to be pretty budget friendly under here. And they did throw some aftermarket shocks in the rear because you do have to go aftermarket shocks when you're doing more than a few inches in the rear. Overall, this isn't going to be much to offer as far as performance goes. It's really just pushing everything down, meanwhile retaining your factory ride quality. So pretty much all you're doing here is spacing everything down. So if you strictly care for just being taller off the ground, then this is a decent setup for you. But 10 grand for all this, and I don't know about you guys, but those are not the most desired wheels. Now also keep in mind that these are all pretty entry level models. We get cloth interior, it's an LT Z71, so we do have the 4 high and 4 low, which of course is nice. But outside of all that, it's just an LT, nothing too crazy. And with everything all in, they are asking for a total vehicle price of $59,189.99 for the Z71 on a 6-inch lift kit. Now heading back over to the red Silverado, it's important to note that you need to check the window sheet there if you actually do end up buying a lifted truck from the dealership, and make sure you're not paying for 2 sets of wheels. It says there on the sticker sheet that you're paying for a set of bright silver aluminum wheels for an additional $300, but you're also paying for these aftermarket wheels. Not to mention, this Cajun red is an additional $495. Also, what do you guys think? Side pipe or dual tip? I like side pipe, preferably in matte black, but that might be soon to come. Oh yeah. Wrap is coming very soon. It's been a long time coming. We have a whole sample book here, and we've finally chosen one color. As you guys can see, this can be a very, very indecisive process with the amount of colors you can choose from. It's crazy, but we've done it. We've picked one. We have finally picked one.
This color
Sick, right?
is amazing. I could totally see you.
It's also my favorite color, so.
So order the wrap.
We have a curious situation here. So this will be our first test to see if being right behind an officer is going to be trouble with the windshield tint. We're good, we're good. We're saved. No ticket today.
What up?
Welcome to the video. It's cracking.
What's happening?
Had to showcase your new bow tie.
Oh, yeah.
That thing's where it's at.
Thanks.
So that thing was hydro wrapped, right?
Hydro dip.
Hydro dipped. Crazy process. They print out a sheet of material, lay it on water, and then just kind of dip whatever they're doing. Where'd you go again? It's right there. I can't read it though.
Real tree.
Real tree edge. So he
Windshield too?
yeah.
Yeah. Mine's 50.
So he has 50% on his. Yeah, I did 35 on mine. It doesn't look a whole lot different. Dude, the truck's looking good. So what's next for the Silverado?
Rims, tires.
Wheels are mandatory. Any idea on what kinds, by chance?
Yes. Vision.
Those are sweet.
Those are sick. Super deep.
So fresh. It'll rub, yeah.
Absolutely.
But
Who cares? What do you think?
Not bad.
That sounds sick. I'm going sport mode on him real quick. Go ahead, you're good. Let the slows go first. Couldn't hear anything. All right, you win, you win. Yeah, I admit, that does sound pretty good. All right, so what do you say we switch trucks for a second? I'll take yours, you take mine.
The slow one.
You'll take the, I see you. Let's go, let's do it. This is my first time seeing my truck in action behind me. I gotta say, that is one good looking truck. This guy. Oh, that sounds so nasty. Christian, you have a sick exhaust setup. You have a nice truck, I ain't gonna lie. So here we have 35% tint, and here is 50% tint, just for comparison's sake. Not too far off, honestly. But yours does look a lot darker because he has 5% tint all the way around, as I have 35 on the back and 15 on the front two roll-up, so well done. Deuces. Welcome back, fellas. So to conclude what we were talking about, I'm sure a very common misconception is that the lifted truck that you bought from the dealership actually was installed at the dealership, when that is more than likely not true. At least that's not true at the dealership of choice today that we went to. Those trucks were not done by the dealership. Hardly ever can I imagine the dealership doing those lift kit installations. It's not what the technicians at the dealerships are trained to do. They specialize in replacing OEM parts. They used a company called DSI, or Dealer Services International, to do the lift kits on the trucks that we saw today. They're an authorized reseller for ProComp. What that means is they are able to carry out ProComp's warranty called the Lift Shield Protection. Basically what Lift Shield Protection is a mirror of the manufacturer's warranty on your vehicle. So they will match the powertrain warranty that came with your truck. With GM, that's 5 years or 60,000 miles on all moving parts that it takes to make the vehicle go. Engine, transmission, and some other stuff too. This is a very common concern for a lot of people if they were to get their truck lifted and it's brand new and they got it done somewhere else. Is all their warranty stuff going to be voided? No. It's not. But what the Lift Shield warranty is doing is saying that we are going to cover anything if the dealership denies your warranty claim due to the lift kit. If there just so happens to be an issue with your powertrain, then the ProComp's Lift Shield warranty will step in and cover everything for you no questions asked, if it was due to installation of the lift kit. Now, does the dealership have to do the lift kit for you in order to qualify for that warranty program? Absolutely not. That is Procom's own warranty program. That has nothing to do with the dealership. The dealership is simply a middleman getting the lift kit done before you buy it. The dealership has nothing to do with the warranty that Procom offers. So with that being said, I called 3 shops within a 10-mile radius of where I live that are authorized resellers for the exact same Procom lift kit that we saw on the truck today. All 3 quotes were within $150 of each other, so I took the 3 prices that I got and averaged them into one. So with that being said, the grand total of everything installed, including parts, labor, everything but the AccuPro odometer recalibrator and the side steps, so you get the wheels, the tires, the lift kit, all parts associated with that portion of the lift kit installed, everything out the door with tax, was $6,366.11, and one of those shops was offering a no sales tax sale, which took another $440 off, which will pretty much make up for the side steps, which I couldn't see being any more than $350, and $100 for your calibrator for the speedometer. Puts you right back at around $6,300. So that's all in with everything that we saw today. $6,300. I know you guys are probably gonna say that you can find it cheaper elsewhere and that's a ripoff still, but my point is, nonetheless, you can have it done for a lot cheaper. If you were to shop around anywhere you are going to find it for thousands of dollars cheaper. I mean, that's a huge premium. That's a solid $3,700 more to have the lift kit done by the dealership for you instead. I don't know about you, but the convenience of having the lift kit already done for me and being able to finance it with the finance of the truck you're buying isn't enough to pay that much over what the actual lift kit with the wheels and tires and everything done to it would cost on your own versus the dealership doing it for you. That's a huge premium if you ask me, and I would be more than happy to buy the truck stock and have that done myself, and then get the wheels I want, get the exact tires I want, get the exact side steps I want, and then get the exact lift kit that I want as well. So yeah, the lift kits on the trucks that you buy from the dealerships are a total ripoff. My advice, buy the truck stock and have the lift kit, the wheels, the tires done. It's a more fun process anyways, trust me. Have it done yourself, go down to a shop, pick your wheels, pick your tires, pick your lift kit, pick your shocks, pick everything out just the way that you want it, and you'll be so much happier with the amount of money you saved as well. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I will catch you guys on the next one. Till then, peace out.